The county met its goal to administer more than 250,000 vaccine doses in the month of January.
Now it's shooting for 70% of eligible San Diegans to be vaccinated by July 1st. News 8's Brandon Lewis is on our vaccine team and is tracking the progress. Brandon?
Now, Carlo and Marcella, we need to average about 23,000 doses every day, and we're simply not there yet. The county says it is being held up because of supply issues. So this means that we're already starting off this 5-month project a little bit behind.
The biggest limiting factor, Brandon, is just we need more vaccines.
February 1st is the kickoff for the county's goal to vaccinate 70% of eligible San Diegans by July 1st. But we're already behind because of a continued vaccine shortage.
If the supply was there, we would be at 25,000 a day now. We have the capacity to do that much. We just don't have the available supply of vaccines.
County data shows we're averaging about 15,000 vaccines a day, although some numbers can take up to 2 weeks to get counted, and some sites were closed for bad weather. Official data shows the county used almost half its supply in less than 2 weeks, although it's actually much worse because of the lag. In fact, we could run out in a few days.
We've also been very transparent that there is a fair probability that we may have to take a pause if we run out of vaccines. But as bad as that would be, that is much better than being in a situation where significant numbers of vaccines arrive and we don't have the infrastructure to put it in place.
So what does that mean from here? It's largely dependent on supply. If it begins to increase, then we can make up for the shortfall and meet the goal by July. But too long of a delay, and the odds begin to slip away.
I am fighting forcefully to say we are ready. We have stood this up. We have people ready to fill appointments. We got nurses with needles and arms. Give us the vaccine. But again, we don't control what gets sent to us. And so within what's in our control, we're going to continue to move aggressive and move fast. And we just ask for the public to understand that, again, we can't give shots we don't have, and we're going to keep fighting to get more.
A 4th vaccine superstation is set to open tomorrow in East County, but whether or not we get enough vaccines to keep it open is still a bit of a mystery.